Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 11th February 2026, Nifty index opened on a positive note, and after an initial dip towards 25,870, it inched higher in a slow and steady manner towards 26,000 levels. However, in the second half of the session, index witnessed some profit booking near 26,000 zone, which limited further upside. Despite the mild pullback, the buy-on decline trend remained intact. On the daily chart, it formed a doji sort of a candle, highlighting a tug-of-war between the bulls and bears, while the broader structure continues to maintain a higher highs, higher lows formation. India VIX was down by 4.3% to 11.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.17. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,400 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,700 to 26,200 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 352 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,538 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 22%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,800 for the next up move towards 26,250, while support can be seen at 25,800. Bank Nifty has to hold above 60,500 for the next up move towards 61,250, while support can be seen at 60,250 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BSE, Eternal, Bandhan Bank, Vedanta, Godrej Properties and Nygaa, while some weakness could be seen in Oro Pharma, Laurus Labs, Asian Paints, Biocon, Siemens and BDL. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.